Hello, today we are going to introduce a new product LED display. This is customized LED display. It connected by four pieces P6 LED display. Look at this one here. This is LED chips, and IP65 can be waterproof outdoor use. Let's look at the back side. This is 200 watt power and the receiver USB charger. This is the wires. This can be connected to the power. Its iron frame is customized. You can see that it's very small. Okay, let's test it. Test. The content can be changed by yourself. Also, the frame, modern style. Later I will introduce our software and how to use the software. We can use USB. Okay. Done. It's uploading. Welcome to Wonders LED. LED can be colorful. Lighting. Word. Any picture or any words you want to show on this display, it's okay. So later I will show you how to customize the contents you want to show on this display. You have to install our software. It's very easy. Just click the legs, install, and wait for a few minutes. Let's be patient and wait for a few minutes. Finished. And then open the software. Next, we have to change the language into English. You can see that the black area in the center is the display screen. Then we set the display screen size, enter password. Set the controller. You can find that information on the back of the display sample you received. Right now, our sample controller is BX6Q full color series. And then change the screen width and height. Direct link. Parameters read back. Write the parameters. Confirm. You can see that the black area size is changed, and that's the real size of your display sample. Choose the screen you want to set and change the program name, whatever you want. You can see that shine border right now is black, and let's click Enable. The black area will be effective according to the style you choose. Also, change the move steps. And the run speed. The first one is the fast way. Also, let's continue to change the text. The text on the content is you want to show on LED display. So I will show Wonders LED lighting word. You can also change the color of the words. Let's set L as red color, E as green, D as blue, and the word as red. On the right side, you can see there are many choices. You can choose the display method, run speed, hold time, font style and color. You can remove the content on the screen and save on USB. Click USB Save and confirm until configuration to the U dish successfully. Then everything is done.